Morning students, so we are going to learn about integers today. So before we get started, let us revise what are numbers and their types. So the first set of numbers that we have is natural numbers, or simply the counting numbers. They start from 1 and goes up to infinity, because you always start the counting from 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. It goes up to infinity because the counting never ends. You can keep on counting and the numbers will never end. So it goes up to infinity. Next comes the whole numbers. In whole numbers, 0 is also included. And just like natural numbers, it goes up to infinity. A ruler or a scale is a very good example of whole numbers. So it starts from 0 and the counting continues towards the right hand side. And in a ruler there is limitation of 15 centimeter or 30 centimeter. But yes, these are all whole numbers because they start from 0 and goes towards the right hand side. And we also know that all the numbers on the right hand side are greater than 0, like 1 is greater than 0, 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2 and so on. So what we understand here is that 0 is the smallest number. Now, do we have numbers which are smaller than 0? Till now, you would have said no. But in this class, you will learn that yes, 0 is not the smallest of them all. There are numbers which are smaller than 0. They are known as negative numbers. So let us move on and discuss what are these negative numbers. Now, my dear students, we all know about the number line. So the number line represents the set of numbers on a line. So I have written the whole numbers and it starts from 0 and goes up to 4 to the right hand side. Now this number line do not only expands toward the right hand side, it also expands towards the left hand side too. So on left hand side, what kind of numbers do we have? As you can see, we have numbers on the left hand side which are mirror images of the numbers on the right hand side, but with a negative sign, with a minus sign. And since these numbers are written to the left hand side of 0, they are obviously smaller than 0. So we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Right? Hence we can say that integers are those numbers or set of numbers which goes from minus infinity to plus infinity, because integers include whole numbers and also negative numbers. So they go from minus infinity to plus infinity. Now let us discuss what is the use of these negative numbers or these integers in real life.